What is good, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Paul, and today I'm doing a sneaker video. I basically do two types of contents on this channel. One is sneaker videos, and the other is talking about society, life, and culture in Japan. So if either of those things are of interest to you, please consider subscribing. Today, the sneaker video, I'm going to be opening something from the good folks at Adidas. I got this on the Confirmed app, and I guess it maybe goes to show that I actually do mess with brands other than Jordan and Nike, because I guess I've unboxed a few Yeezys on this channel, but I haven't unboxed an actual just straight Adidas sneaker, although it is a collab. So let's get in and see what it is. Actually, you probably already know what it is because you saw the thumbnail, but it is the collaboration with the Puerto Rican reggaeton star Bad Bunny, and his music I don't think is terrifically well known or popular in Japan, so these weren't all that hard to get, I think, and they're actually currently on the resale market selling for at retail, basically, so you can still get them for the retail price. I don't know how it was in the US or elsewhere, if they were expensive there or hard to get. Let me know in the comments if it was difficult and you went for these and you got the W or you took the L. But in Japan, I got my pair, and honestly, of all of the Forum Low collaboration shoes that Bad Bunny did with Adidas, this is by far, I think, the best and most wearable colorway, which is why it's interesting to me that they don't have any sort of resale price, because I think, you know, Japanese sneakerheads go hard and they really love their sneakers and they love collaborations, and so it's a little bit surprising that for such a wearable shoe that it's not seeing much popularity. But starting off with the box, you've got all of the extra Bad Bunny branding all over it, which is pretty cool. And I did not pick up any other pairs of any of these collabs, but what struck me, and I have to give a shout out to the sneaker YouTuber Josh Dominic, he did a review on the blue pair, or the sky pair, and it's a really good review. Recommend you check it out. But basically, he got me interested in actually seeing a pair of these in hand, and I decided that this white color just made a lot of sense to go for. Okay, it comes with a bunch of extras. Has two pairs of extra laces, which is cool. I always like extra laces. And they actually come in this nice dust bag with the Adidas and Bad Bunny branding on it, which is, wow, that's a hell of a nice extra. Don't get to see that very often. I guess for the price of, in Japan, 24,000 yen, which is about $200 in the current exchange rate, although it's more like $240 for like life money while living in Japan, I guess you want these extras for that kind of money. And one thing that Josh Dominic said in his review that I really agree with, and was kind of the thing that turned me on to these shoes, is that Bad Bunny, in his collaboration with Adidas, he's not just putting like a random new colorway on an already existing pair of shoes, but actual modifications and thought went into the changes that go into the shoes, which I think is really a sign of a good collab. Like, did something actually change in the design? Is it more than just a new colorway? Like, are the materials different? Are there some additional things, like a dust bag or actual things on the shoes, which indeed there are. Let's get into them right away. Okay. This is, in fact, my first pair of Forum Lows from Adidas. I've never had a pair of these before. And it's wild. The first thing that hits you is the giant tongue. And you've got this, like, extra double tongue, and like you can switch these out apparently, and maybe it's a way to change the tone a little bit, as well as, I guess, keep them fresh. But this double tongue is definitely interesting, and it's a very, like, the actual tongue underneath, or the lower tongue I should say, is really thick. It feels, I mean, more like a skate shoe tongue, I guess. Other changes to the shoe that's not typical on a Forum is this buckle on the strap. Has a much more kind of strong quality feeling to it, I guess. Like I said, I haven't had a regular pair of these, so I can't really compare them directly because I don't have that experience. They also have this drawstring on the back, which I'm not sure that it's all that clear that it serves a real purpose, but it's an extra feature that gives these shoes a different look and a different feel from the normal Adidas Forum Lows. And this colorway, man, is just, well, I can't really call it white. It's more like a really brushed light gray and sail cream coloration on it, with darker gray, 3 Adidas stripes on the side, and just a generally decent, not amazing, but decent suede around the shoe, except for the leather toe box. And the actual final kind of hidden branding is the Bad Bunny on the sole of the shoe here in this little circular part, which is kind of cool. So if you are a fan of Bad Bunny, or you're just looking for a really wearable colorway of a collaboration that has some cool extras to it, is a very well made, well put together and designed shoe with, again, interesting things like a dust bag and extra tongues and laces, etc., then this would be a good shoe to pick up. These will definitely go into the rotation simply because I don't have a lot of Adidas shoes, and so I could use a few pairs to change it up a bit from the Jordan and Nike brand, and just an infinitely wearable colorway on a really fun, nice silhouette. So yeah, great job by Bad Bunny, and good job by Adidas. This is apparently the last colorway of the Adidas Forum Low Bad Bunny collaboration that are coming out, so your last chance to get a colorway, and I guess they're cheap right now, so if you're looking for something like this, I would jump on it now before the prices go up, as they probably will over time. So thanks for watching this particular video, and I hope you got something out of it. If you did, remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already. Thanks again for watching this particular video. I will catch you next time. Peace.